Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited because I am going to be repurposing this garage sale. I know I picked up for only 75 cents. I am going to start out by sanding this, and then I am going to attach a European mount to this. I was so stoked because I actually ended up only spending about $7.75 or under $10 at least for this whole entire project, and I was so happy with the way this turned out in the end. This honestly took forever to sand because there was so much of this color on it. I knew that I could just eventually paint over it, and I'm just using the Waverly chalk paint in ivory. You guys should know by now that I use this all the time for almost every single project I ever do. But I am just going to paint this entire thing. I didn't paint the back side, but I painted the whole front side and the bowl and then everything inside of it.
I'm looking for a brand new start. I know I got some trouble getting over you. I think that I've played my part. I need to get away somewhere far from you. I'ma buy plane ticket, run away by myself for a minute. I don't have any limits. Ooh, ooh. I'm looking for a place where I can feel alive, where I can let you go and just be for a while. I got you on my mind all the time. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. I hope I meet somebody who's better than you, that likes me for the things that I say and I do. Somebody who can help me make it through. Now I'm about, ooh, ooh. Plane ticket, plane ticket, plane ticket. You said that I was not in.
And then this is what the European mount looks like, if you didn't know what one was. But I just had my husband drill this into the board, so I didn't even show that, but he just took a couple screws and did that. And then I got these leaves from Walmart. They were $3 a piece, and I grabbed 2 bunches of them. And then I just used those Delilahs, and I got those from the Dollar Tree. So I spent a total of $7 for the flowers, and then 75 cents for the back of this. And then I'm just going to be making a flower crown. I tried to watch tutorials on how to make flower crowns, and I don't know what it was, but I did not understand how they did them, and especially with European mounts and stuff like that. So I just kind of did some winging and stuff on this one. And then I also just grabbed some floral wire or craft wire from the Dollar Tree as well. And then this was a green color, so I could just definitely tie this in and hide it all with these flowers or with the leaves. So all I'm doing is just wrapping a flower and then a piece of the eucalyptus leaf and then another leaf, and then I'm just wrapping these in little bouquets and little bunches, and then I'm just going to take the craft wire and wrap them around the antlers. And then I ended up changing this a little bit because I had to kind of make this so it looked like a flower crown instead of just a big bunch of everything just kind of thrown together. But I really do like how this turned out. I thought this was such an easy DIY to do, and obviously we had almost everything like this at home except the flowers. I wanted something that was going to match our bedroom because that is where I ended up placing it. And then towards the end I started being really picky about how everything was tied and the way that all the leaves were bent. So luckily everything has wire in them so you can bend anything how you want it to. And then I was having a problem getting the craft wire to stay because it's such a really thin craft wire, so maybe I should have definitely bought something a little bit thicker to hold them. But I ended up wrapping this around probably 10 different times and then just really twisting it around the sides, and so far so good, nothing has came up. So anyways, that is just a little tip for me. And then at the end I just ended up gluing or hot gluing some of these flowers to each other just to make a whole crown. I forgot to record it, so I have no footage of putting all the flowers on, but that's all I did was just hot glue them. And then I wanted something to put in this little basket or this little bowl, so I just took one of these LED candles and then some burlap, and then I cut it too short right there, so I had to redo it. I don't know what happened. It's just one of those days or one of those things when you craft and you totally mess up, but anyways, you can definitely redeem yourself. And then I just added the extra leaves that I had from the flower crown because I just didn't want anything to go to waste, and this is all I had left over, so I knew I wasn't going to be able to use it for much of anything else. But that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you guys are new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and sometimes other days, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.
You said you could do better than wasting time on me, and I admit it's fair.